Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study for 12th Board Science Maharashtra. First, let's craft an effective study plan. Begin by creating a realistic daily and weekly schedule, ensuring you allocate specific time slots for each subject. It's crucial to prioritize challenging topics, dedicating extra focus to areas where you need more practice. A well-structured plan is your first step towards success. Next, let's dive into mastering physics and chemistry. For physics, focus on understanding fundamental concepts deeply, rather than just memorizing formulas. In chemistry, consistent practice of numerical problems is key, alongside regularly reviewing chemical reactions and diagrams. Active problem solving and conceptual clarity will significantly boost your scores in these subjects. Now for biology and mathematics. In biology, effective memorization of terms and processes is vital, coupled with practicing neat, labeled diagrams. For mathematics, the strategy is simple: solve a wide variety of problems from different chapters. Consistent practice builds confidence and speed, ensuring you're prepared for any question on the exam. Finally, effective revision and exam preparation are paramount. Make sure to revise all topics multiple times, reinforcing your understanding. Consistently solving previous board exam papers will familiarize you with the pattern and types of questions. Remember to take short, regular breaks to maintain focus and prevent burnout. Good luck with your preparations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.